English muffin. This recipe is gonna be super easy, and I know guys, I always say that my recipes are super easy, but it is true. That's what my channel is all about. It's about making keto healthy food easy to make and accessible for everyone. So without further ado, let's jump into the ingredients. For today's recipe, we're gonna need 4 tablespoons of almond flour, half teaspoon of baking powder, 2 tablespoons of melted butter, 1 egg, preferably room temperature, pinch of salt, and this is optional, but if you would like to put a little bit of flavor into your English muffin, you can use a pinch of paprika or any seasoning of your liking. So this is super easy, guys. We're basically just gonna dump all of our ingredients together and mix them up. So the first thing we're gonna do is in a microwavable safe container. I'm gonna be using this round one, but you could also use a mug. We're gonna put our melted butter. Try to go around it so we grease the bowl a little bit. Next, we're gonna add our egg and we're gonna mix them all together. Once our egg and butter are all mixed together, we're gonna proceed to add our dry ingredients, starting by our almond flour, baking powder, pinch of paprika, and a pinch of salt. Once we have our dry ingredients into our bowl, we're gonna mix everything together. I always try to mix the dry ingredients on top a little bit before mixing them with the egg and the butter. Just like this, and now we mix everything together. Make sure you don't have any clumps. Once we have our batter all ready, we're gonna tap it into our counter to even out all the batter. And now we're gonna microwave it for 90 seconds. And this is the beauty about this recipe, guys. You don't have to bake anything. Just microwave it for 90 seconds and you have your English muffin ready to go. 90 seconds have passed and we're gonna take our English muffin out of the microwave. Our English muffin is ready and now we're gonna take it out of our container. To do that, we're gonna run a knife around the edges. Once we run the knife, we're gonna place a plate on top of our container and flip it over. Tap a few times and remove the container. Now, I'm gonna cut it halfway through and toast it. Really carefully cut it halfway through. Just like that. At this point, our English muffin is ready to go. But because we're super extra, we're gonna toast it and put some butter on it. Our muffins are toasted, so now I'm gonna add the butter. So there you guys have it, your delicious keto English muffin. So now let's try it out. Oh good. I love to spread butter on my bread. It is so fresh, it's delicious, and they're so easy to make. These muffins are perfect to eat with a BLT, as a breakfast sandwich, also our Eggs Benedict. If you guys haven't watched the video where I show you how to make Eggs Benedict, I will be linking the video down below. I hope you guys liked the video and the recipe. If you did, don't forget to give me the thumbs up, subscribe down below, turn on the bell notification button, and leave me a comment. If you also want to follow me on my keto journey, I will be linking my social media down below. Thank you guys for watching and see you guys on the next video.